Good morning, friends. How are you guys doing? We're safe and well in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. It's the next morning after the stranded homelessness episode you watched yesterday. We got into the Airbnb. It's a house, a big house, and we're fine. We're okay. And this morning it's bright and early. We're heading out to get some money and some groceries so we can cook, and also to eat some lunch, and also to go around and see our surroundings and stuff like that. So that's what we are doing today. To see you do chapati.
Okay.
Yes.
What are you doing for that?
Yes.
Unaenda kuzipiga picha.
Very nice.
Very nice. Chapati.
Yes. Oh. Thank.
Anayezungumziwa ni yeye.
Okay.
What?
Absentee.
Absent. Okay.
Oh, he's not there anymore. She's not there anymore.
Okay.
She is absent.
Okay. My
Okay, today I am doing my phone.
Xerox is my
Yes, I
You
know.
have to use your passport.
and
So
he's
Yes, I know.
I am doing my phone. Yeah.
Xerox is son.
Exactly.
You have to bring your passport, and then they put money on your phone for you. So I'm in this little place here.
Aba? Mama. Xerox.
I'm with my husband and my friends. Subari.
That's good?
We're having
My
fun.
son.
My son.
I think it's like
Yes.
Wangu.
$1,500.
Wanangu. Xerox. Wangu.
15,000 for 1 week. It's not
I
expensive.
remember
Very cheap. So that's basically it.
This is
So today we're going shopping.
the lady, she's gone.
I
absentee.
just like crossed the street. I thought I was gonna die.
I think he changed
Anyways, guys, the adventures begins here in Tanzania. If you're wondering where our children are, they are with our friends at the police station. That's where our friends are. So we left them there where it's safe. We came from the market, guys, but I couldn't film the market. The market was just a hustle, and there's all these people, these guys there walking behind of you, asking you to give them money and to help you carry your luggage. I think it was a little bit risky filming there. It was just so noisy. So this guy is kind of harassing me. He came into the vehicle and asked me, what am I doing? Why am I talking to who am I talking to in the camera? But our police friends are there, and they came and talked to him and asked him to leave me alone. Yes, and they were they were wanting your luggage and stuff like that, like looking at the stuff. So yeah, it was kind of risky. But our friends are here and they're taking care of us, so it was fun. Next time I go to the market, I'll next time. Hey friends, we came from the market and we went shopping. I'm gonna do a grocery haul tomorrow because it's kind of late now. I'm hungry and we want to eat, but I want to show you our first meal cooking in this little house that we're staying at. So we bought some vegetables at the market and beef. Guys, I didn't film today because I was a little bit worried. The market, this huge outdoor market, it was packed with people. I wasn't quite sure about the dynamics of the place, and people keep asking, can they hold your bags? They keep walking with you and asking you, do you need anything, do you need help? So I was a little bit nervous, and I think we became the center of attention in that market today, because you can definitely tell that we were foreigners. We look different and we dress different, and we just kind of draw a lot of attention. And I wouldn't say it was a negative thing. People were smiling. They didn't look like threatening or anything like that, but I'm not used to being the center of attention, so that was something I didn't like at all. but everybody were friendly and happy and stuff like that. Mind you, the people there, they only speak Swahili, so it was kind of hard to communicate with them. But the people who was with me, or friends, they translate a lot for us, and I've been learning Swahili for a long time, so I was able to still translate and talk with people. Plus I had my app on, so it was good. It wasn't anything negative, it was positive. But anyways, I didn't film in the market today. And before I went into the market, I had this experience with this man come asking what I was doing. I guess he had never seen a camera before, and he kind of scared me a bit because he just came like up to me like that. Like I was sitting inside inside a little vehicle, like, and he just came up to me all of a sudden and he just asked me like, hey, like, he said something in Swahili, and I was like this, and then he said, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? I guess he never seen a camera before, and then he just was kind of looking around and looking all kind of strange, like, why am I talking to that thing? So I kind of was spooked a little bit. So he could have been all that too. So I decided, okay, I'm not gonna take my camera out. But anyways, he didn't like, he wasn't like aggressive or anything like that. And then we have a friend who is a officer, and he just came, and yeah, and everything was fine. But yeah, so that kind of spooked me a bit, so I didn't film. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I bought or what I cooked. So this is the little kitchen that I'm in. Let me show you the little kitchen. So there's a door here. That's the house that we're living in. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the house after, but that's the thing. We have a little bin here. This is the stove here. We have like a little gas stove. Then we have the microwave here. We have a little towel, little place here. Then this is a cupboard on top here. Nice little cupboard area. Then this is a air fryer. You know, regular sink. I like the sink. The sink is like a circular sink. It's really nice. And then we have this nice size fridge here. And then in here we have, like, you know, cutlery. Oops, I think the door is open. We have like cutlery in here. We have like spoons for ugali and containers. And in here we have another crock pot and some other things in the back. A strainer and all of that. And then up here we have, you know, like, this is a very popular thing people have here. This here is a very popular thing. When they cook, they put their food in it here to stay warm. That's a very popular thing. We have some pots up there, strainer again, and just some cups and dishes and stuff up there. And in here we have a few seasoning, and there's a juicer and a blender. So this kitchen is really equipped with stuff. So, and then you have some sugar and salt and other things that you can use on paper towel. But today I decided to buy some beef at the butcher. So yeah, the beef, and then I add some vegetables to it. Now this food here, the beef with the vegetables, it's like a very popular thing that they make here. So they cook the beef or goat, and then they add the vegetables to it. So this is very tasty, and I had to make it. So I made this, and then I cook some here. I cook some potatoes and cassava and carrots here. So we're gonna eat that together. But I'm so hungry. This food looks so yummy. I'm gonna bring it inside the house, and we're gonna just eat with our fingers inside. Yes, I am cooking some Tanzanian cuisine while I'm here, but this little place is so nice. I like it. So yeah, that's what it is, and I just wanted to share that with you. So this is my first day cooking here in Tanzania. It's the second day we're here. The first day we didn't cook. Our friends took us to this place and we bought food. We ate local chicken. Oh my word, that chicken tastes so good. Tasty, well seasoned. And we had ugali, freshly made. It came and it was like hot from the pot. Oh, and vegetables, it was yummy. And then we had plantain. So they fry like green plantain. It was really, really good. All I did was some salt. They didn't put any salt, but it was good. They kind of slice it lengthwise. I don't know what they put on it, but anyways, the plantain was good. I'm not used to eating green plantain, but however they made it, it was amazing. So we had that, and then I went to the butcher, and you just go buy fresh meat. It was $10 a kilo, so $10, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's like $5. It's like $5 for 2 kilos. No, $5 for 1 kilo. So that's 2.5 pounds. And I got a lot of meat. So I cooked this pot. This pot here. I cooked with I took some out of it and I cooked this. And I still have meat left. I can cook another set of meat. It was a lot of meat and I cut it small. So we're gonna eat that for dinner tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna eat some more beef. Like, I was surprised at the amount of beef I got for $5, like $5 Canadian. It was a lot of meat. We don't get that in Canada. $5 meat. Oh guys, that was a lot of meat. And the rest I put it in the fridge because we have a fridge on the inside of the house. That was amazing, guys. So anyways, I just want to touch base with you guys today. But I'll be giving you guys some tours of the house. We're not gonna be here for a long time. We're moving to another place. We're gonna move to like a couple of different places. We kind of exploring the area, staying at different places for 1 week, 4 days, 3 days. We kind of really scooting around the place to get a feel of the place, because we really want to see like, okay, if we like this area, we don't like this area, we really kind of want to get a feel of Dar es Salaam. Maybe in the future we want to come back and stay here, and we want to do something in that area. So we're kind of going around and kind of seeing the area. So that's what we're doing. But anyways, let's go share this yummy food and let's eat. Yes. Yummy.
Because you have 1, 2. How many of these do we have? That's 4. 1, 2. How come there's 4 of these? This must be 3. 1, 2. So you have 4 of these. Where's my cord? Did I bring the wrong cord? But how come we have this extra cord? 1. This is 1, 2, 3.
I think that was from my bag.
Let me look in my bag. Maybe I have 2 of them in my bag.